Katas Raj, one of the oldest and holiest sites in Hinduism, stands as a testament to centuries of faith, culture, and history. Located in the heart of Pakistan, this sacred complex is a place of deep reverence, not only for Hindus, but also for Buddhists and Sikhs. The story of Katas Raj begins with a legend that echoes through time. It is believed that the sacred Katas Raj lake was formed from the tears of Sati, the wife of Lord Shiva, as she wept at her husband's loss. The name Katas, derived from several traditions, reflects this poignant tale. One tradition suggests that Katas comes from the Sanskrit words katakshil, meaning weeping eye. Another holds that the name derives from Katakusha, meaning river of tears. Other accounts trace the name back to Teshan Raj, the king of snakes, or Kochinia, evolving into what we know today as Katas Raj. But Katas Raj's importance stretches far beyond its name. Situated around the sacred Amrit Kund, a pond believed to wash away the sins of those who bathe in its waters, Katas Raj is revered by millions. Its spiritual significance is further amplified by the belief that the Hindu god Krishna himself founded this holy site. Katas Raj is not only a Hindu pilgrimage destination, but also a significant site for Buddhists and Sikhs. Here, among the temples, was once a Jain temple, now lost to the passage of time and modern development. The ruins speak of a rich, diverse history where faiths have intertwined and coexisted. The temple complex is a sprawling collection of sacred spaces, connected by footpaths and surrounded by relics of ancient civilizations. Among these are Buddhist stupas and the remnants of the mansion of Hari Singh Nalwa, the military general of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Hindu tradition traces the origins of the Katas Raj temples to the 7th century, during the reign of the Hindu Shahis. These temples were dedicated to various deities, including Lord Shiva and Lord Ram. But it was also during the time of the British that the site's significance began to be recognized by the wider world. The Katas Raj complex, with its 7 temples, draws architectural inspiration from Kashmiri styles, featuring ribbed domes, trefoil arches, and intricate carvings. These temples are not just places of worship, they are living monuments to the spiritual heritage of the region. The Ramchandra Temple, perched to the east of Hari Singh's Haveli, is a 2-story structure with 8 rooms and 2 balconies. Nearby, the Shiva temple stands proudly on a square platform, its entrance adorned with a rounded arch and pediment. Each temple within this sacred space houses idols that have been brought from India, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, reinforcing the cultural and religious ties that span across regions. Overlooking the temple complex, the fort built by Hari Singh Nalwa adds another layer to Katas Raj's history. Situated on a small hill, it offers a commanding view of the surrounding temples. With its 4 bastions and arched verandas, the fort is a reminder of the region's rich martial and architectural heritage. After the partition of India in 1947, the pilgrimage to Katas Raj diminished as many Hindus left the region. However, the site has seen a resurgence of visitors in recent years, especially after restoration efforts began in 2006. The sacred pond was cleaned, the temples were repaired, and pilgrims once again flocked to this revered destination. Katas Raj, with its centuries-old history and deep spiritual significance, continues to inspire and draw believers from all walks of life. Whether as a place of pilgrimage or a historical site, it remains a sacred testament to the rich tapestry of faiths, cultures and civilizations that have shaped this land. In the heart of Katas Raj, the ancient stones and holy waters whisper the timeless tales of devotion, sacrifice, and the eternal connection between man and the divine.